ProStart program is a career and college readiness program, really a comprehensive business curriculum through the lens of hospitality.
Colorado ProStart gives a lot of information on all aspects of the culinary and hospitality industry.
Students learn to cook, but they also really learn the ins and outs of the restaurant business, all the way from soup to nuts.
Prepares the students very well for industry.
My favorite part about being in Colorado ProStart is probably all of the opportunities it gives me. So I've been able to work with top chef, I've been able to compete, I've been able to try for scholarships.
There are many scholarship opportunities for students at this competition. Our top 3 teams in both management and culinary will receive scholarships to a number of institutions.
My dream job is to be either a restaurant manager or a chef.
Oh my gosh, there's so many things I would love to do.
My dream job is to run my own bakery and be the executive chef there.
My dream job would definitely be owning my own bakery or being in like more of a head position at a restaurant.
I will be presenting Vietnamese street food in a restaurant, and it's going to provide a healthy alternative to a normal fast food restaurant.
The dish that we prepared is a radicchio and frisee salad with a pomegranate vinaigrette.
For our entree, we've made a coleslaw with wonton tacos.
And then for our dessert, we have our caramelized bananas with our vanilla cream.
I am most excited to present to the judges and see how their faces.
I would definitely recommend ProStart to other students.
I absolutely would recommend ProStart because you have endless opportunities.
It provides a lot of learning opportunities, such as the competition that we're doing today.